This is a video for beginners, and to all professionals, I believe you already know these tips I'm about to share. I will show you the right way to export using PDF and also the right arrangement using Artboards for PDF. Let's do this. I am using this Artboard document to explain to you how to export this document into a PDF file. So for example, I have this document, I'm done with the design, and then I want to export this as a PDF file. What I need to do is to click here. So you can see we have JPEG, PNG, SVG, PDF. So if you don't see any of these options here, you click on this plus sign and then you can turn on the file extension that you want to save the document. So we have PDF, so we click on PDF, and then we have another option here which says advanced. So I need to click on advanced, and then it opens this pop-up for you. So you can see we have PDF for print. So if the PDF file is for print purpose, you need to select it. All these are options that you can select from. So what I need to do is this. In this case, my own is not for print, it's for digital purpose only. So I want a high digital quality. This is going to calculate the estimated file for you, and then you are going to get the PDF done, and you just click on export and then it's done for you. For example, when I click here, this is the PDF file I exported using the right way and also the right arrangement. So when I open it, okay, so you can see this is the PDF file that I exported and it's looking very nice. You can see every detail very sharp. The next thing I want you to pay attention to is to check the arrangement of your artboard. So we have artboard 1, artboard 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Having this arrangement, you probably think that you are done, but it's a big no. This is what you need to do. You switch to the layout studio. Alright, so when we check here, we have three options here. We have pages, assets, and stock. So we are working in pages, and then this is your artboards. So this is the arrangement of your artboards. This is the right arrangement for your artboards, not this one. Alright, so let's say for instance, I want this page to be my artboard 2. And then I want this particular page here to be my artboard 4. What I need to do is to select this one like this, and then you move it up. So the moment you are trying to move it, you see an arrow beneath the mouse pointer. So you just drag it to the part you want. So I wanted to replace this, and you just drop it. It checks the arrangement for you. But on this design here, on my artboard 2, I have replaced it. So when I'm exporting this document, I'm not going to get this kind of arrangement. Instead, I'm going to get this kind of arrangement, because this is what helps you to export this document as PDF. I want this one to replace this one, so we move it and we drag it. It's done. Whenever you are working on a document using artboards, always bear in mind that this is not the final arrangement of your artboard. Instead, this side here is the arrangement of your artboard. This is what you are going to get when you export this as your PDF. This brings us to the end of this tutorial, and then this is the simplest way you can export your artboard documents into a PDF format. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.